Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 29th of August, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since August 29th, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.06. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of continued growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 33% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 17% and 77%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month projection indicates a potential change of around 22%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of nearly 16% to a rise of 157% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between approximately $10.96 and $33.51. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI features the headline, SoundHound AI Inc. stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Friday trading session. The stock price of SoundHound AI Inc. increased by 3.91% on the last trading day, Friday, the 29th of August, 2025, rising from $12.53 to $13.02. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.89%, with a low of $12.19 and a high of $13.03. Notably, the price has declined in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 16.48% during this period. On the last day, trading volume increased alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 17 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 80 million shares changed hands for approximately $1.05 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $24.98, while the lowest price was $4.32. Currently, the price stands at 47.88%, or $11.96, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI stock has been one of the market's high flyers this year, jumping roughly 500% from about $2 in early 2024 to near $13 today, driven by rapid adoption of its conversational and generative voice AI. The company just reported its strongest quarter ever, second quarter 2025 revenue of $42.7 million, up 217% year over year, fueled by demand across restaurants, enterprise, and automotive sectors. Strategic commercial wins include a major deal with a top 5 Chinese automaker to deploy the platform in millions of vehicles, plus a rollout of its generative voice assistant in Jeep models across Europe. At the same time, the stock experienced a near-term pullback after investor reactions to recent AI research and sentiment shifts. Short-term, those headline wins and exceptional revenue can lift the stock on momentum and investor excitement, but expect volatility as traders react to sentiment swings and updates on execution. Over the long run, large original equipment manufacturer integrations and international scale could translate into recurring revenue and higher valuation if SoundHound sustains growth and improves margins. Key risks include competitive pressure, execution challenges in China, and the path to profitability. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral rating with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average remains above the short-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support is expected at the levels of $12.34 and $12.46. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially affecting short-term developments. A sell signal was activated from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 14, 2025, with the stock having fallen by 21.28% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 42 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 43 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $12.71. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock can experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 84 cents between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 6.89%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been 5.61%. But before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at a loss of 3 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $13.55. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $12.71. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 11th of August, 2025, Imami Majid conducted an insider purchase of 250,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 11th of August, 2025, Ham James Ming conducted an insider purchase of 250,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 11th of August, 2025, Mohajer Kivan conducted an insider purchase of 850,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 11th of August, 2025, Sharon Nitesh conducted an insider purchase of 450,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 11th of August, 2025, Zagorsek Michael conducted an insider purchase of 450,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 7.428. Overall, insiders purchased 4,746,959 shares and sold 6,720,962 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.19, reflecting a decrease of 6.4%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which presents a significant risk. A sell signal has been indicated from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 2nd of September, we expect SoundHound AI to open lower by 273/1,000ths of a dollar and begin trading at $12.75. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.